This video will cover steps 1 through 3 of Excel Chapter 1 Grader Project Homework. Number 1, start Excel. Download and open the file. Did that in the last video. That was easy. Number 2, merge and center the travel expense report. A1, E1. With a grader project, if you don't know what to do, you need to go back to the simulation exercises or the ebook. You'll also see these skills in class. But with the grader project, there is no safety net for you. So we want to merge it to A1, E1. We grab all 5 cells and click merge and center. That's step 2. Works great. Step 3 says in cell E5, enter a formula that calculates the number of days between the return date and the departure date. Here's E5. So I'm going to start my formula by doing the equal sign. And it's going to be, I'm just going to click with my mouse on cell E4, type the minus sign on the keyboard, and then click, so that cell E3. So that's return minus departure. And common sense, it's always good to do the common sense check. There are 4 days between June 5 and June 1. So I'm done. So what do? I save it. I'm going to get out of it just to be confident. Then I go back to MyITLab where I had downloaded the files, and I'm going to upload the file. So I picked the file. Again, this, you got to know where that was. For me, that was downloads. And there it is. It's 10:32 on Saturday. I just did that. So I have to know where my file is. I click upload. It says it's ready. And now I want to see my grade. Why do I want to see my grade after only doing 3 steps? Because I want to know that I've done those correctly. I want to see the points, which would be 0 to open it, but 3 plus 4. I need to know that I have received 7 points so I can feel confident. You're not required to do this, but sometimes if you get stuck down at a future step and you've messed up the spreadsheet or the database above it, then things down here get really messed up as well. So with the grader project homework with unlimited attempts, I like to submit the check. So I got to find that. I got to click on it again. Oops, no I don't. That was the wrong thing to click on. Don't need that. I want to go back to the main menu and go to my grades. It's the same sort of thing. We got to find the right chapter. So we were in Chapter 1. And we got to find the right assignment. It was grader project homework. So again, it's kind of obvious that was in activities. It was a grader activity. And look at that. I received 7 points as I expect because I completed these 3 steps. So I should receive 7 points. Now it's telling me I'm in trouble, which is because it's a 100-point assignment. But I know that because this was just steps 1 through 3. We'll continue with additional videos.